Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I keep my hair moisturized as well as growing while in a protective style. So if you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So I got a sew-in a month ago. I also have a video of when I got my sew-in. If you guys haven't checked out that video, then I'll leave a link in the cards above. So I'm currently showing you guys my new growth that I've gotten in a month. So don't mind my leave out right now. I just got done sweating in the gym, so that's why it's really frizzy. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. So now we're going to get into the moisturizing routine, and I'm going to be using two of my products from my hair care line, which is Coral Lily, and there's always a link in the description box. So the two products that I'm going to be using is the Blueberry Frankincense Growth and Strengthening Hair Mist, as well as the Henna Rosemary Nourishing Scalp and Hair Oil. So by the time this video comes out, I believe my website should be live for you guys to order these products. So if you're interested in any of the products in this video, just go ahead and click the link down in the description box. So first, what I like to do is fill around and find a gap in between the tracks. This way I can have access to my scalp as well as access to my hair. And then from there, I like to take the hair mist and just lightly spray my hair as well as my scalp. And then I follow up with the hair oil. So I'll use the applicator, and then I'll go in and apply the oil. When it comes to the hair mist, it is a lightweight water-based hair mist that acts as a great hydrating leave-in, and it helps to promote hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and it conditions the hair. It also helps to stabilize hair pH balance. Also, when it comes to this hair mist, it contains ingredients such as aloe, rose water, cucumber, tea tree, sage, turmeric. Also, it contains fenugreek, just to name a few of the ingredients. When it comes to the hair oil, it is an all-natural oil that has been infused with over 60 herbs. This extra strength formula promotes hair growth, penetrates the scalp, and also assists in improving follicle health. The natural properties found in henna helps to curb hair fall while also preventing and correcting hair thinning. Rosemary helps improve hair problems such as hair breakage, length retention, and stagnant hair growth. Some of the ingredients that can be found in this oil is amla, hibiscus, fenugreek, fuller earth, sandalwood, cabbage rose, flaxseed, cloves, black seed, just to name a few. Like I said, there is over 60 herbs in this one oil alone. So if you guys haven't checked out my website, like I said, the link is down in the description box. So I use the spray once a week, and then I use the oil twice a week on my braids. But when it comes to my leave out, I do use the oil as well as the butter, probably like every other day, just because my leave out is exposed. So I want to protect that as much as possible. Doing this method has really helped when it comes to my scalp itching. When I first got my sew-in, my scalp was itching a lot. It was really annoying. But by doing this method and being able to actually get in between the tracks and actually oiling and spraying my hair, it has really helped with the itching. Even with me going back to the gym, like, I don't experience itching at all. So in a previous video, the video where I showed me getting the sew-in, I got a couple questions on the hair that I'm wearing. So the hair, I got it from a local beauty supply store. They described it as a kinky, yucky straight hair, but they don't have a website, so I can't leave a link for the hair, so sorry about that. But yeah, I got it from a local beauty supply store. They have like a section where I guess they get hair from a vendor, so that's where I just got it and decided to try it. So far the hair is, it's okay. Will I be purchasing it again? No. But I can work with it. So after I finish moisturizing my hair, I'm just going to show you guys how I wrap my hair real quick so that way it can stay straight. So what I do is I just go ahead and split the hair in half. So I just have like these two sections, and then I just make sure I comb out the hair so there's no tangles. And then what I do is I'll take one section and then I'll go ahead and wrap it around the back of my head, all the way up to the front, and then I'll take some clips and then I'll just clip the ends down. And then once I do that, I'll just go ahead and do the same thing to the other section. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. So after I get done wrapping my hair, I'll go ahead and take a satin scarf and just wrap that around the hair, and then I'll go ahead and put a bonnet on top of that, and that's how I go to sleep at night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out Creole Lily, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.